What's up? This is Character Queen. Today I'm going to be watching Sonic Boom, Season 2, Episode 45, 3 minutes or less. From the picture in the beginning, I think it's going to be like Sonic getting a job or something. So, let's watch it.
Looks like our killer had the necessary qualifications.
Wombat's my favorite character on Marsupial Crime Unit. I'm sure his digestion's slow and so are his reflexes, but he always gets his man.
Guess what, gang? Madburger now delivers. You get your order in 30 minutes or less, or it's free. So come on down. Why would they come on down if we're delivering?
I'd like to place an order. 4 Madburgers to Amy Rose's house. See ya in 30 minutes or less.
Wow, it's taking that long? Wow, that's hard for me to do. Oh my gosh, he had that much time? There he is.
You're 3 hours late. Well, at least the food's free.
That's
Here's a comment card. I'd appreciate a positive review, so please don't fill it out honestly.
It says on the back that there's a focus group tomorrow to review Madburger's delivery service.
Finally, a chance to make our voices heard by cutting down something that other people worked really hard on.
On a scale from remarkable to exemplary, how would you rate Madburger's delivery service?
It's a joke. I could do it in 3 minutes or less.
3 minutes? If you can do it in 3 minutes, you just got yourself a job.
You couldn't pay me to work here.
We're not going to pay you. You think just because we're a global corporation that our employees deserve to make a living wage? But I can compensate you in a chili dog for every successful delivery.
You got yourself a deal.
Okay. That's what you're gonna do that.
There you go, one Met uniform.
I'll wear it with pride.
Why would you do that? For first order, and fair warning, our customers are notorious cheapskates, so don't expect any tips.
That was easy, and I got a big tip.
Wow. Great at the job.
Big Google, it never stops.
Oh, that was fast. I didn't even have time to get my billfold. Hold on. Now, where is that thing? On my shiver? No. In my portmanteau? No. It must be next to the Victrola. Here it is. It turns out it was in my hand the whole time.
Next up, a Met meal for 2. For Amy Rose? Hey, Amy. Got the food for you and Mike the Ox. Leroy the Turtle, Lady Goat. I mean, not that I care who you have lunch with. I mean, it's not like you and I.
It's for you, Sonic. I thought you'd like a break from work.
Okay, sure. But I only have a minute. Well, this has been fun. Gotta go. Bye.
Wow. Oh, she tried. Very good.
Lunch is on me. I got 6 chili dogs coming my way.
Hey, those are not transferable.
Now, looks like I have to eat these on my own. Sorry, not sorry. This job is awesome. I can't foresee anything going wrong.
Hedgehog Abby's about to start. Where are my cucumber sandwiches?
Hi, I'm Sonic the Hedgehog.
I know who you are. Lousy TV thinks I don't even know my own mortal enemy.
Madburger now delivers, and we guarantee 3 minutes or less, or your order is free!
Wow, they did a commercial and everything.
I don't want this slop anymore. I want a Madburger delivered by Sonic the Hedgehog. And wouldn't it be just glorious if he was late and I got it for free?
That's crap.
We're tongue, delivering food to me. It appears the extra pickles I ordered are nowhere to be found. Looks like you'd have to run all the way. And I wanted mayo too. And what's this? No ketchup for my fries? The clock's still ticking until I get my full order.
Really, nothing.
May I assist you further, sir? Hey Dave, there's no 154 on Rabbit Road, just 152 and 156. It must be a prank order.
Of course, Eggman again. Really not Sonic.
I've devised a complicated plan of attack that will create chaos beyond the scope of anything Sonic could ever handle. He will write poems and sing songs of how I triumphed over that blue bumpkin.
So, what is this complicated plan of chaos?
I'm going to attack him when he leaves Medburger and make him late for his deliveries. It's more complicated than it sounds. You'll see.
Not that complicated.
3 deliveries on 3 different parts of the island in 3 minutes? That's impossible. Not even you can pull this off.
I have this totally under control.
I think they can stop. That would look like
Don't worry, Sonic. We'll fight this enemy attack. You do the noble thing and deliver that greasy food to people who don't feel like leaving their homes.
Here's your order, piping hot. That'll be $12.
Oh, Sonic, so good of you to bring this bountiful feast that we didn't order but you still expect us to pay for. It won't be enough to feed everyone, but I guess the children don't need to eat tonight.
more. Or you could do that.
Sliders for everyone!
You can't expect us to pay full price for such skimpy burgers.
Well, how about a coupon for 10% off?
Oh, thank you. Now my wife can afford that surgery.
Really, Egghead? Taking prisoners now? Well, it won't work. I'm still gonna make my deliveries in 3 minutes or less.
Actually, it should be 3 minutes or fewer.
Not really hard to capture.
This always happens right after I get it washed.
Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm ahead of schedule on my deliveries.
Where is it?
It's Sonic with your delivery.
Sonic's not here!
No, man, I'm Sonic.
Who is it?
It's me, Sonic. Open the door. I have your delivery.
Sonic?
Yeah, Sonic, open up.
Sonic's not here, man.
They doing this on purpose.
Last one. This shouldn't be so bad. Huh?
1 minute before you miss your deadline, Sonic. You can't defeat all these robots and penetrate my layer's defenses before time is up. Then my food will be free, and you have failed.
A minute.
Oh?
Too much time if you ask me. I may take a nap first. Ow! But how? I followed these two down the secret tunnel. Well, regular tunnel now.
You took the secret tunnel?
There was a battle outside. There was no other way in.
That was the point!
That'll be 15 smackers. Plus tip, of course.
In appreciation of the phenomenal job you've done, I'd like to present you with a 10 chili dog bonus.
That's a lot. I can't handle that.
Whoa, this agreement is not agreeing with me. I quit.
Oh, finally. All those satisfied customers were weirding me out.
Hey, burger lovers, Comedy Chip here, and I can't wait to tell you all about Medburger's newest delivery policy. You get it when you get it.
That's it. That was a good episode. Wasn't expecting him to get a job. Well, that's it. Please subscribe down below. Please subscribe down below. Click a like button. And yeah. This is Character Queen. New YouTuber.